Desert safari in Dubai is a popular and thrilling adventure activity that allows tourists and locals alike to experience the stunning beauty of the Arabian desert. This is a most popular activity for travelers visiting Dubai. Dubai, located in the United Arab Emirates, offers various desert safari experiences with a mix of adrenaline-pumping activities and opportunities to witness the desert's natural beauty. Here are some key highlights and activities you might encounter during a desert safari in Dubai. Dune bashing. This is one of the main attractions of a desert safari. You'll board a 4x4 vehicle and drive over sand dunes, providing a thrilling and exhilarating experience as the driver navigates the dunes at varying speeds. Camel riding. Enjoy a traditional camel ride, where you can experience the slower pace of desert travel and feel like a true Bedouin explorer. Sandboarding. Similar to snowboarding, sandboarding allows you to slide down the sand dunes on a board, adding an extra dose of adventure to your desert safari. Quad biking. Many desert safari packages offer quad biking as an option for those seeking a more adventurous and independent experience. Sunset views. Witness the breathtaking views of the sunset over the desert landscape, creating a magical moment and great photo opportunities. Traditional entertainment. After the desert activities, you'll be taken to a Bedouin-style desert camp, where you can enjoy traditional Arabic entertainment, belly dancing, Tanura dance, a Sufi-inspired dance, and even fire shows. Henna painting. Get a temporary henna tattoo on your hands or feet as a fun cultural experience. Shisha, hookah. Try smoking shisha, a traditional Middle Eastern water pipe, as you relax and unwind in the desert camp. Barbecue dinner. Savor a delicious buffet-style dinner with a wide range of Arabian and international dishes to choose from. It's essential to choose a reputable and licensed tour operator for your desert safari to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Always check the inclusions and exclusions of the safari package before booking, as different packages may offer varying activities and durations. Remember to dress appropriately for the desert climate, wear comfortable clothing, and stay hydrated throughout the tour. Lastly, be mindful of the local customs and guidelines during your desert safari in Dubai. Thank you for watching.